Welcome to Umbrella Labs. Now let's go over how to reconstitute research peptides once they arrive. In this example, this is BPC 157. Open up the box. Here's the COA. Now this is what it should look like when it arrives. This is 5 milligrams of BPC 157, and you can see it's in a freeze-dried lyophilized state. This is to ensure maximum stability during shipment, but now it needs to be reconstituted with bacteriostatic water. This is available for purchase on the site separately. It should be cold, as noted on the label. Once the peptide is reconstituted with an appropriate volume of bacteriostatic water, always keep the peptide cold to ensure stability. I hope this helps with your peptide research. Thank you for choosing Umbrella Labs.